Ever wondered if that cute little Nashville shop is legit, or if you're about to get scammed? I get it. Nashville's packed with souvenir stores, unique boutiques, and pop-up shops on every corner. But before you swipe your card, let's quickly talk about how you can tell the difference between a real deal and a ripoff. First up, some great news. Most well-known local shops here have solid reputations. Take the Nashville store, super popular for its classic tees and hoodies, and a favorite stop for tourists. If you're after a budget find, Nashville's Best $10 and Up Boutique is a hidden gem. People rave about their cowboy hats, cute shirts, and friendly staff. There's also the Nash Collection, famous for high-quality, one-of-a-kind Nashville-branded apparel. And Simply the Best $10 Boutique has been around for years, offering deals on jewelry, leggings, and more. All these spots have plenty of positive reviews and are loved by locals and visitors alike. But what if you stumble across a shop online or in your feed? Here's what I'd do. First, check the website's URL. It should start with HTTPS. Watch out for addresses that are just a letter off from a brand you know. Next, hit up Yelp or the Better Business Bureau for independent reviews. If all you see are glowing comments on their own page, be skeptical. On social media, look for the Page Transparency tab and see when the page was created. New pages pushing hard for sales? That's a red flag. Last, make sure they have a real-world address you can actually find on Google Maps. A couple of quick warnings. There's a scam called ghost tapping where people pretend to raise money, then use tap to pay to drain your account. Also, if someone's being aggressive outside a store with a too-good-to-be-true story, walk away. So, shop smart, enjoy the city, and keep those Nashville memories legit.